father started the company in 1972, almost 50 years ago. And so being an immigrant from Finland, Dad's father, our grandfather, had relocated to this country to have an opportunity for his family.
We strive for safety, quality, and customer service. We really work hard to satisfy our customers, and they're our number one priority.
So our daily routine, Dad would get us up and teach us how to be a good steward to the customer, provide a good product to the customer. In the industry that we're in, it is fixing leaks, stopping water from getting into the building.
Eskola is an honest and very professional company. Being part of this company has been wonderful to me because everybody works as a family.
We're different at Eskola. We set ourselves apart, and we can go beyond, I believe, most companies and say, yes, we can do this and help you.
Looking to the future, identify and help people cultivate their talents so that they might achieve the highest success professionally in their lives that they are hoping to seek when they come to work here.